Today, the battery of a pre-broken ancient package that has been repaired has lasted many years. Now the ancient package's endurance time is very short. After charging for several hours, it can only be used for 10 minutes. Today my cousin used this visually appealing but impractical battery to replace the battery cell with a 4500 mAh cell. Let's enjoy the entire repair process together. First, open the case and take out the battery cell inside. Take out the brand new, divided, grouped, and paired 4500 mAh battery cells and weld them together using the series connection method. Do not reverse the positive and negative poles. Welding and connecting the computer's data cable. This step is very important. Connect to the computer to check the data. Once the data is fine, you can disconnect the data cable connected to the computer, put on the cover, and the swollen battery is repaired.